All right, good morning, everybody. Welcome to another round of Coffee and Questions. What's today's topic? We're going to talk about packaging tape, what you can get from Harbor Freight, and I'll give you another supplier because, like I said, between a couple of forums I belong to, and we belong to a local I belong to a local club, and we do demo on tools and techniques and stuff like that, and we meet once a week, sometimes every other week, whenever we can. There's a bunch of us that get together and we talk about products, and we ship things from the club too. So out at the club, they wanted to get some packaging tape, and the guy said, "Well, just what's real close to us is Lowe's, Home Depot, and Harbor Freight." And he said, "Well, Harbor Freight has StikTek. It's $2.79 a roll, 55 yards, 1.88-inch clear packaging tape." And so, okay, so he went and he got it and he brought it back. And I was reading through a lot of the criticism on there because I thought, well, I'm not so sure this is the best idea. But, he came back with it. We tried it. It tears, it rips real easily. We had to take off like, I don't know, 3 feet of it or so in the beginning before it got tacky enough or sticky enough to be able to use. And when he went to, it was a UPS box, when he went to wrap it, he had to wrap it at least a couple of times in every which direction. And I thought, well, maybe there's something better out there. And so we were talking, and at one of the facilities where I work, where we do a lot of shipping, they use a different kind of tape. And they gave me a roll of it to go ahead and bring home. And, I could use it, of course, but I mean, it's made by Duck, D-U-C-K. So I'm going to show you both ads real quick. Okay, let's talk about the duct tape here. So the duct tape, I called it up. There's 2 rolls, 109 yards. So, okay. And the other one from Harbor Freight's 55 yards, so that's similar. I mean, if you're looking at 2 rolls and one, because on Amazon you're going to get 2 rolls of it. It's $10, it's $9.95, but it's 30% off. It's a big discount right now. So I went ahead and picked up another roll of it because you see in my past videos I do a lot of shipping out of the house, of all the little knickknacks and little side hobbies and things that I do. And this is incredibly good, strong tape. I would buy it again. I mean, definitely. Going back to the Harbor Freight stuff, now, one complaint on both rolls of tape, whether it's Harbor Freight or this duck stuff, is when you get done using it, if you're not careful and it sticks down, it's really hard to start kind of peeling it back up. So what I do is with the edge of it, when I'm done, I just fold it over so that way it's easy to grab. Sometimes you forget to do that. I know it's a simple thing, but I know it's an aggravation, with these packaging tapes. And this stuff is really good. This is just a quick video just to let you know before you run out and get the stuff at Harbor Freight, which I don't know. I was kind of disappointed. I mean, yeah, it's cheap at $2.79. And so the roll out at the club, he was going to throw it out. I said, I'll take it. I brought it home and I used it to mask off like around a doorway frame for painting and stuff like that. I just wouldn't use it for packaging. If you've got something that's, I don't know, real light duty, I suppose, and you could figure a use for it, I think it's great. But otherwise, get yourself, pay a few dollars more, get something that you're real happy with. I didn't have to tear off any feet of this. This thing right off of the roll is incredibly strong. All right, the one thing I will add is out at the club they do a lot of packaging, like I told you, and I do some here at home. And I'm waiting for it to go on sale, but this Frankline heavy-duty packaging tape gun is really a nice product. They have one out at the club. They use it all of the time. I mean, you just slap that roll on there and you don't have to worry about the tape folding down and hard to pick up and all of that. And it's really handy, especially if you're doing multiple shipping boxes. And sometimes I've got like 8 to 10, of these UPS boxes that I package up, all of my little, side hustle things in, and I'm shipping them. And I got the labels on them and stuff, and this makes it very fast, very easy to do. And I'm going to show you the advertisement right now. So this is something definitely worth considering, especially when it goes on sale, which is what I'm waiting for, because after the club had it and I got to hold it and demo it, it's got a nice soft handle on there. I'm looking at the picture. It's just a good product. All right, folks. Well, I'm the home handyman. It was meant to be a quick video. Went out at the club when they have things that I think are good content. I make notes, put together a video, and I bring it to you. These are good products. The duct tape, not the other stuff from Harbor Freight. I had too much trouble with that. But the Frankline gun definitely is worth getting if you have a need for it, if you're, shipping off multiple boxes. Anyway, I'm the home handyman. I hope you click subscribe. Keep following me. You folks have a great day. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.